Hi everyone, it's Raleigh. And today I thought I'd just give everyone a peek at how I'm coming along using my cousin and my weeks. And so yeah, we'll start with the weeks. So this is the milk tea. This is my first year using it. Now previously I used a traveler's notebook that had the same kind of setup. And originally, when I bought this, I hadn't intended on getting the cousin as well. So I'm still kind of finding my way with it. I have been using the Coffee Monster Co kits. That's the only kind of sticker company I'm using for this one. So here is what the March kit looks like. And I think they're beautiful. Yeah, I really like the look of them. But on these monthly pages, I'm just putting in kind of main events. And I do take this with me when I go out, which isn't terribly often, but I do like to have it handy. And then in the actual weekly portion, and the reason I got this was because this was the same setup I used for my traveler's notebooks. So I'm still trying to work out the best way to use it with having the cousin, and actually have another weeks that I use for wellness. So yeah, I just use it as a more informal way, just to jot down notes and things kind of on the go that I don't permanently want in there. In here, I do have sections where I'm each month kind of writing down kind of the main things I want to do, and then at the end of each month doing a little kind of look back at how well I've been doing everything. And then the back of this just has little areas for books I'm reading, orders, pen tests, that kind of thing. So I really do, I like this, and I kind of wish I could think of better ways to use it, but and I'll have to think about next year what I may do, but I do still really like it, and we'll still be using it even just for odds and ends things. And now on to my cousin, and I have come to really, really enjoy this one. So this is, yeah, just in the first section, I'm not tracking anything daily on here, so I just each month kind of map out different sections for my main areas, which is wellness, home, and finance that I want to focus on this year. And this is the monthly, again, another kit from Coffee Monster Co. I'm using it in all my Hobonichi stuff. And this is what the March kit looks like. I really do think it's beautiful. So I think what I'm going to do is maybe go down and put some goals in there. And this is kind of similar to what I have in my weeks, which is where, again, I'm just trying to work out where I want everything to be. So I haven't been putting a lot in the monthly. But again, it's as time goes on, I'm starting to use it kind of more and more. And then this is the weekly layout that I really do like. I find it's nice to, and this is actually a good size. I work from home. I'm home most of the time, so I like the bigger size. And it becomes a mix of, documenting dates and things that need to happen, as well as kind of activities that I can kind of add to as I go. And I've really been enjoying using this, and I find it just helps my mind to have everything kind of laid out. I kind of check in once or twice a day, and it's a chance to make notes when I do accomplish something, which is great. And then some things don't happen, and that's okay. And this is what the first week of March looked like. So, and yeah, I'm kind of working out a system that works. At the bottom, I put kind of the main things I want to work on and do, and then I kind of fill them in the top as I go. So yeah, I've really been enjoying that. Now, the one area, so I've been trying to focus this year on wellness, finance, and home. And home, I want to do kind of a big reset. It's been a while, so I had intended to do this, of course, in January and then in February. I really do, though, want to get it done by March. So in that little book, I just marked down kind of all the areas of my home, and then I want to purge them and then clean them. So that's actually what I'm going to be using that kind of declutter section on here for, is I'm hoping to knock off 3 or 4 or 5 of those things in the next week or so. We'll see how it goes. I just know I'll feel a lot better when it's done. And this is another section that surprised me to daily. I wasn't sure how I'd feel about it, but I've really taken to kind of writing in it. So, during the day, and usually most of them are broken down in the morning, afternoon, and evening, I just kind of jot down what's been happening and how I'm feeling. And then on the side, I kind of little notes about different things that are going on. And yeah, I've just found it really good to get stuff out of my head. And then also, even now, kind of looking back just a few weeks and trying to think of kind of where my head was at. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this, and I'll definitely be continuing. And what I did for February is I picked kind of 2 colors that sort of coordinate with the main kit colors for the month. And so I think I'll be doing that. And I think for March, I'll use the green and the blue. But this is something that, I've really enjoyed doing more than I perhaps expected. Yeah, and then in the back here, I did break down. My intention was to put a keyword for a month, which I haven't done. So I kind of have three main sections: wellness, which I've kind of set monthly goals; home, which is quarterly. Thank goodness, because my whole declutter thing, I've got another month to get that done. I just thought quarterly made a little more sense at home, and then finance. So I do revisit these, and it just sort of keeps me on track for what I'm hoping to accomplish. So yeah, that's how I've been using them, and I have just really enjoyed, these first few months using it, and I think I'll be able to fine tune things. I do also have my wellness weeks, which I'm going to do a separate video on, hopefully in the next couple of days, using the kits from Rebel & Co for that one. But yeah, so far so good, and yeah, I'm looking forward to continuing to use these. So hope you like that quick peek this week, and yeah, hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye.